In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online trip.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so you can breeze through online check-in with confidence. First, open the trip.com website. If you're in the Philippines, make sure the site shows the correct region and currency so the layout matches what you see here. It also helps to sign into the same account you used to book your flight. If you aren't signed in, you can still look up bookings later with your trip.com booking details, but being logged in keeps everything in one place. At the top right corner of the homepage, look for the My Bookings option. This is where trip.com stores all your reservations. Move your cursor to that area and click My Bookings to open your itinerary list. Once you're in My Bookings, you'll see your upcoming and past trips. Find the flight you want to check in for and click into that booking. If you have several reservations, choose the one with the soonest departure you're preparing for today. This opens the detailed booking page, which includes your flight segments, passenger names, and available actions. Now scroll down the booking page and look for the Check-in button. When your airline opens online check-in, typically 24 to 48 hours before departure, that button should become available. Click it to proceed. Depending on the airline and route, Trip.com may either guide you through check-in within their site or redirect you to the airline's check-in page. Have your travel documents handy, like your passport, visa details if needed, and any required health or entry information. If seat selection is offered, you can confirm a seat here, and some airlines will let you add checked baggage or input frequent flyer numbers during this process. When you're done, you'll receive a confirmation, and in many cases you can download or email your boarding pass or mobile pass. If the boarding pass isn't available yet, don't worry. You can usually get it at the airport with your confirmation. In this demonstration, the booking shown is only for tutorial purposes, so there aren't any paid, active reservations, and they're all canceled. If your booking is canceled, unpaid, or not yet within the airline's check-in window, the check-in button may be disabled or missing. In that case, verify your payment status, confirm that your flight is still active, and check back closer to departure. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to My Bookings, open the correct reservation, and start online check-in on Trip.com. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.